Hello students, welcome to MPS Academy. This is the lecture for a question answer for chapter 1 and 2. So let's start with the topic. What should I discuss with you in this? Okay, as we have completed chapter 1 and 2 with you, the question answer has remained left. That's why I thought that I have to complete with you. First is MCQs and fill in the blank, true, false, answer the following questions, and so on. The remaining things I will tell you to do by yourself. Okay, let's start with the MCQs. First is MCQs. We have 5 questions, and each question have 4 options, so you have to choose one, the correct answer. Okay, the first is which of the following is not a system software. That is, the answer is MS Word. Okay, then remain all the questions are here, and also I have put the answer for you here. All that for one question answer, for one MCQ I have written MS Word, and for second word processing, and third as per software, as per software. For fourth, both it includes both of these option 1 and 2. That's why I have put both of them, the language and assembly languages. Okay, the fifth is source program. Okay, source program is in first. Okay, so in the fill in the blank, again I have 5 questions, and each question have 1 or 2 blanks that we have to put it. Question number 1, I have a blank, 2 blank, so that I have put 2 answer for this, so you have to put this. For second, software, and third for operating system. For fourth, language processor. For fifth, machine and binary numbers. Okay, for if you talk about the true false also have 5 questions, and each question contains a true or false. Each statement want to know by you that how much you know about that. Is that the sentence is good or bad, or correct or incorrect? So that's why we have to put a false or true in the last of this. Okay, you have the question in your book, so that's why you have to make fair for this of chapter 1 and 2. Okay, let me explain the next. For one, I have put the false, and the false is correct. And for second, true is correct. For third, true is correct. For fourth, true is correct. For fifth, false is correct. Okay, the next is chapter 1 question answer. The first question I have gotten, define software. Software, what is that? Software is a set of computer program. It enables user work with the hardware, and it is intangible, that can't be touched. Intangible, it means that can see but it can't touch, like your mobile phone. Mobile phone, you can touch your mobile phone, but you can't touch your software that contained in your mobile phone and behind the screen. Okay, let me discuss. The first question has completed, and second question, what is the difference between system software and application software? You have to take a snap or a screenshot for this to make a fair. Okay, for one question I have put the answer, and for second question I have put the answer, and you have to read it and try to remember. For third, I have put the answer, and you have to note that by yourself and try to make a fair for this. Okay, the next section, all question have 5 and 5 question. I have put the third question, I have discussed the third question here, and fourth is here. Fourth, what do you mean by the machine language? Machine language, I have put the answer for this, a suitable answer for you, and you have to note it. For fifth number, write a short note on the high level language. Okay, I have put a note on high level language. You have to take a snap or a screenshot to write down, and you have to make fair for this. Okay, the next is chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 also contains 5 questions. Each question in MCQ, each question contains 4 options. For one, I have put the Windows 10 dash is the latest version of MS Windows operating system. You have to read book before you make a question answer. That's I have told you that you have to read book before you make question answer or objective or anything. Okay, first question's answer I have put the window 10 for second, start for third, live tiles, window is for fourth, and a window hello for fifth. Okay, the next is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank for chapter 2 also contains 5 questions, and each question contains 1 or 2 blanks to fill up. So first question asks us, if we don't like the way our tiles are arranged on the start menu, we can dash them. So we can put here the rearrange. Rearrange means to arrange again. Okay, if you talk about for second, I have put the question answer number second. You have to read before you make. For third, I have put the Microsoft Edge. For fourth, I have put the Action Center. For fifth, I have put Continuum. Okay, its pronunciation is Continuum. So if you talk about the true false for chapter 2, it also contains 5 questions. Each question asks us the statement whether is right or good, bad. Okay, so I have put for first question true, and for second is true, for third is true, fourth is false, and fifth is false. You have to read before you made. Okay, if you talk about the question answer for chapter 2 course also contains 5 questions. I have put 2 questions answer here. Okay, so first question is explain any 2 new feature of MS Window. Window 10 have a move features, as I have told you in the lecture of chapter 2. So it has a move feature, but 2 feature is very important as my point of view. Window hello is more personal way to sign in, and if you talk about Continuum, which help us to operating computers and keyboards or touch screens. Okay, if you talk about the task view is similar to flip. That can be flip, take a screen and can be flipped from one to another desktop. Okay, it can create a new desktop features. Okay, it also located in the taskbar. It can be done by the window tab. Okay, window tab. Next is the second part, question number 3, 4 and 5 contain here with question and answer. You have to note to make fair and try to remember it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thanks for listening. Hello students.